Hi, I'm Daniel McGrew with Epiroc Product Support for the Underground Rock Excavation Division. Today on our E1C, we are going to be adjusting the feed slides. Here is one of our feed slides on our carriage. We want to make sure that there is at least a 1 millimeter gap in between the slide and your stainless steel sliding piece. A good way to check that is just take a piece of paper and see if it will slide in between, which this one won't. So these are too tight. What this can cause is extreme wear, and then your drilling pressures to be off. So first thing we'll do is we'll take a 24 millimeter wrench and we'll loosen these slides. Next, these slides have a built-in angle to them. So if we bring them this way, it's going to loosen up the slides. Take our mallet, because these are aluminum, and we want to bump it back a little bit evenly. Bring them back just a little bit, and when you do this with each side, you want to make sure that you do both sides evenly. So that way everything stays centered. Once you've brought it back a little bit, now we can tighten them and recheck our clearance. So now we can see that there's a little bit of a gap, and we can fit our piece of paper in there. So now we have enough clearance to where this will glide cleanly and not give a restriction on our feed pressures, reducing wear. Thank you for watching, and for further assistance, please contact Epiroc via a dealer or a service center.